at these currant berries.
It's not very common to have this, right? I've never seen it out here.
We are so hungry here. From how many miles we walked up to the waterfalls and then came back.
The hiking and going uphill.
So here we are having a grilled prawns salad and a soup. And look at the view here.
Kraken.
We're by the harbor. We're waiting for the sea lion. Where are they?
I thought that was so sweet and so well deserved. Hardworking guy, single dad, taking care of 6 kids, riding his bike every day.
Maybe we have to bring
And he's
something,
gifted,
throw something out there, then we come out.
Who make them come out, huh?
Yeah. I wonder if that chipmunk comes out every time somebody